Hey mate, just a quick video on how to download offline Google Maps. So this is the X series, but it will be the same for the M. So if you go into Maps, which is your Google Maps, make sure that you're logged in. And if you go down to your offline maps, you have to select your own maps. So it will only do in a certain area, and you can drag where you want to have. And it tells you how much space it's using in your storage compartment, so be mindful of that. And then it will just start to download. You can see it downloading off that, and then you should be able to use it offline. Thanks.